There's been a full-on polarizing debate. You must have come across the stray dog order by the court, and importantly, because it's a Supreme Court already, the kind of debate that has followed is what are the legal options to challenge? Should it go ahead? Is it deserving to be implemented right away because of the menace? Chief Justice of India has now given out a big remark over the issue. CJI Gawai has said that we will look into this issue as well. And because it's coming in directly from the CJI after protests also broke out on the streets in Delhi, CJI's remark was while hearing the plea with regard to sterilizing the stray. You're looking at some of the protesters who call themselves animal lovers, animal activists, and they have said that this order is inhumane, while many have said there have children been attacked, targeted by pack of dogs. There have been deaths as well. How can this order not be implemented right away? Let's listen in. Look at the Chakka jam, the traffic jam that happened in parts of Delhi yesterday, and ever since there's been an order from the top court. And now our legal correspondent Srishti Ojha telling us what exactly happened. Srishti, it's a huge statement from CJI to even say that he'll be looking into what exactly happened. How do you think this is going to turn out? We still have 8 weeks, which is the final deadline. How is the court looking into it?
Well, Pooja, here it's very important to look at the context in which the said statement was made by the Chief Justice of India today. So, a council today mentioned a matter before the CJI seeking urgent listing of the case. That case is a 2024 matter relating to the dog issue, which is already pending before the top court. Now, when that matter was mentioned before CJI saying that the said matter should be listed, we saw the CJI very clearly said that recently another bench has already issued directions regarding on this particular issue of stray dogs. He was referring to the recent Justice J.B. Pardiwala's order regarding stray dogs, which has in its own way created a lot of debates and controversy across, not just in Delhi, but across the country. However, followed by this, we saw the council urging the court to list the matter, citing some previous judgments also, which where a certain judgment was passed against with regard to killings of dogs. In the end, we saw the court say that they will look into it, which basically means that they will look into the mentioning and the orders mentioned by the council before the court and see if the matter needs to be listed. So there's no 100% guarantee that the court will list it, but the court has clearly said, the CJI has clearly said that he will look into the issue and see if the matter needs to be listed at all.